Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop, SNC Budget Creations, down below. Also, for the month of October, we have a freebie, which I will link as well. Today, happy Tuesday. Normally, I don't film on Tuesdays. Usually, I try to stick with a nice little cozy schedule. It's a mental schedule. I don't say it out aloud because I don't want people having this expectation of me like I'm a YouTuber or something. So I film kind of on a schedule for myself, but if I'm able to keep to it, maybe it'll be something that I discuss in the future where you can have an expectation of me. These savings challenges, I typically cash stuff on Saturday. However, this Saturday I have a Christmas cash stuffing I could not pass up on, and so Saturday you can expect that I've already recorded it and edited it, and then we're getting it going. But since that was the case, to fill the slot today, we're going to go ahead and stuff our melanin savings challenges. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We have $22. If you saw my cash stuffing for these savings challenges the last time, I completed my IOU, but I also had $2 left over from that savings challenge cash stuffing because I put too much in one envelope, but I figured let's not do that. Let's, get it together over here. All right. So let me grab, I have my IOU just in case, but hopefully that's not going to be a thing. I'm trying to get these savings challenges finished so I can go ahead and spend some money on me. There you have it. Total, I will save $60 from the melanin savings challenges. The Christmas bingo savings challenge, that money is going into my PTO envelope for Christmas break. So we're not going to spend that money. We're going to save it, and we're going to keep working towards that. I was actually thinking, I have a plan, because with this money, I should be able to finish some of these savings challenges, if not all of them. So what I think we'll do is we'll start with the savings challenges, the A5 savings challenges, and then if we have money left over, we'll move on to the bingo, the Christmas bingo. And then instead of actually pulling a card, if I have to, no, I'm just gonna do an IOU if that's the case. Okay, I'm not a chicken. No. No. Okay, anyway, let's get going. So this is our savings challenge number 1, and I just need $2. So once this one gets to $2, we'll stop stuffing it, because that means that we've reached our goal. And for the record, these playing cards are in our shop. These savings challenges are in our shop. These IOU slips are in our shop. So please feel free to check out our shop and go shopping. If you're not interested in shopping at this time, check out the shop, favorite some things if you're interested in doing so. So for savings challenge number 1, we are adding $1. Man, we probably... No. Okay, moving on. So our next savings challenge, getting $1. Next one, getting 2. Okay, 1, 2. All right, okay. I got to pay attention here. Okay, see, I already messed up there. $2. 1 and 2. Okay, so that's the 4th one. So I've already messed up. Let's fix our mess up. First, we're going to go ahead and add $1 here. So that completes the savings challenge. And we are looking for my Sharpie, which I'm irresponsible and I always misplace. Be right back. All right, found my Sharpie. We're adding this last $2 to this savings challenge. Yay! Okay, so we are going to finish. So this savings challenge is already completed, so we need to put this $1 back. So right now what we are doing is we are focused on finishing the number 3 and number 4 savings challenges. So let's just go. 1, okay. I should have put some bigger numbers in here. We could have gotten this done quickly. All right, 3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay. See, this is why I said, let me just go ahead, film, and get this done with, because I'm going to spend this cash. I'm going to spend this cash. All right, so we're going to do a money count at the end, but we're going to add this $5 here in there. So that means we need, this one just needs 2 more bucks. Should I just keep playing? Let's just keep playing. 1 and then 2. Okay. So we finished. Oh wait, oh gosh, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. Okay. So exciting. So exciting because this gives me my $60 to do whatever I please with it. How do I want to do this? I think what we'll do is move on to the Christmas bingo. I'm too excited for this process. Okay, so Christmas bingo, let's grab that. And I'm not even gonna count how much I have left. I'm thinking I should just snag B1. Because that's a $10. I don't even know how much I have left. Okay, because no matter what, this is going to be a hard one for me to get through. And if I get through it now, after these are completed, I'll feel a lot better. Should I just find, I'm just going to find B1. Pretend that I'm not finding it and that oh boy, I pulled it. Okay, where's B1? Okay, there we go. So we're grabbing B1 because that's the one we pulled. Oh my gosh, that's such a dork. Okay, and we're going to color in $10. This isn't my first $10 one. It's a big one. And that was one of the things that I kept telling myself. When you get to the bigger ones, you know, or if you have a little bit more money, that's the time to focus on the big ones. But with bingo, you know, you're kind of supposed to play it and risk it. But I feel like let's risk it in this way. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That could not have worked out more beautifully. Yes. I thought I was going to have to do an IOU. I was figuring maybe like $3 or $4, but this works. So now in my Christmas bingo, I have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I have $25 that is going to go into my PTO for my Christmas break. I wanted to take 3 weeks off with my kiddos during Christmas break. So I'm just going to keep going for it, and whatever I can do, I will do. But at this point, this is exciting. I'm so glad that man, okay. Finally got a big number down because if you've been watching, I've been praying for the small numbers. But this Tuesday morning is, it's perfect because now I have some cash to spend. All right. So what I'm going to do now is, if you're interested in watching, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I count up the money that I have here. Should be $60. Let's go ahead and just move that off to the side. I guess we can move it up here. Hopefully it's still in frame. I don't know. So this should be $15. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15. Okay. And this one should be $15 as well. 5, 10, 15. Okay. I'm nervous that they're not going to be $15. So let's see. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Oh, okay. Just this last $15. So we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. So we saved $60. Took me a while. It really did. And I'm okay with that because this process was not supposed to be necessarily really easy. It's still supposed to be a savings challenge. The challenge for me is that it's not happening really fast in one cash stuffing video, but I'm excited to see it. So with my $60, I'm not quite certain what exactly I am going to do, but because I've already got this binder here, let's go ahead and add in some more savings challenges. All right, so we're gonna add the Libra. That will be in spot number 4. And then I'm just gonna add these to my other binder because I wanna keep those as keepsakes for a little while, show my progress to myself, be proud of myself. All right, so which fall? Let's do a fall one because we've got fall coming. And then also let's do fall. Okay, hopefully I can speed through this part. All right, we'll add her here. Yay. Okay, and all these savings challenges are in our shop, so if you are interested, feel free to grab you a few of them. And let's see, did I do braids? So maybe let's do winter. Let's do winter one because you know very soon we're gonna be experiencing some snow. For those of you who don't know, I am in Colorado and we get snow in October typically. So, all right, and I'll have to number to match the envelopes there just in case for any reason they are pulled out. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And also, you guys, check out the shop. You know, see what you like out of there, and keep a close ear out for our upcoming videos. There are some giveaways coming and all of that. You know, for the holidays. So, you know, I'm gonna be looking for the giveaways too. So, but that's it for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.